I'm sure you have felt unsafe sometimes when commuting late at night, and I'm pretty sure your friends and family members have called you to ask how long it will take for you to reach home. There's now a new safety feature in Google Maps that lets your loved ones keep a track on your location. This feature called Stay Safer is being rolled out to Android users in India, and I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this. But before we go ahead, please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and do hit the bell icon so you know when we post a new awesome video. Let's get started. First up, go to the Google Play Store and update to the latest version of Google Maps if you haven't already for this new feature to work. Now, Stay Safer has a simple motive. Say you're traveling in public transport or a taxi and that vehicle goes off route. If this happens, then Stay Safer is going to let you know via a notification alert that the driver has deviated from the route. Let me show you how it works. Open Google Maps, select a destination. Now tap on Directions, and you'll now see a new Stay Safer button will be present at the bottom bar of the screen. Tapping that, you'll get two options: Share Live Trip and Get Off-Route Alerts. Over here, you'll need to tap on Get Off-Route Alerts. What this will do is that it will make your phone buzz with a prominent notification in case if your taxi or auto goes off-route by 500 meters. This way, you will always know whether you are on the correct route. Alternatively, one can choose to share live trip with friends and family so they can keep a track of your journey as well for added safety. We have already done a video detailing how to share your live location on Google Maps, so do check that out as well. The link will be added in the description down below. This new feature is only available for Android users at the moment. There's no word on when this feature is going to be available for iOS users. And that's about it for this video. This small step on the part of Google is definitely going to help out those people who limit their traveling through public transport due to safety concerns. Thanks for watching, and for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com.